But her breath is like, whoa. She say she wanna dance, but
boss little. Call me when I'm feeling sick. Call me when I'm feeling down. Call me when you need someone.
Well, go on everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do a hot and spicy Afrocentric bud. So first I'm gonna start off by loosening out my plaits. I normally do plaits before so that it helps to stretch my hair when I'm ready to do my video. Okay, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to part off the front section, and it is going to be smaller than the back section. So instead of parting from ear to ear, what I'm doing, I'm parting from the center of my forehead and I'm just bringing it down to my ear, because I find that it is much easier for me that way. I am not like a hairstylist or anything, so it's hard for me when I'm just parting exactly from ear to ear. It's always like really crooked or whatever. So what I decided to do is I am just parting in the middle and then I'm bringing it down. As you can see, it is still not perfect, but that's not really the main purpose. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to oil my hair just to add back some moisture to your hair, because once I'm doing my hair, I like to add back moisture because sometimes your hair can get really dry and brittle. Center these off. What I'm going to do next is I am going to part off the two sections that I am going to put at the front. I'm just going to twist off the excess here. To lay down the hair. Oh my god, guys, that smells so good. All the list of products that I'll be using will be listed in the description box, so you can see exactly what I used in my hair, the oils, the gel, the jam, everything that I'm using. So I'm just cornrowing it. So I did the same thing to both sides. On both sides I cornrow it, and then I am going to part the front section into two also. I did the same method by parting in the middle and then just going back down towards my ear. As you can see, I had tried to do it, but it's always giving me a trouble. So I'm just going to part my hair into little sections. What I did, guys, I'm not sure if you guys saw it clearly, but what I did was I like to oil my rubber bands that I'm using in my hair. Reason why, because once you oil your rubber bands, it's easier when you're going to take it back out of your hair. It's not tugging on your hair. It doesn't make it feel so tight like it's grabbing your scalp. So I recommend, guys, use your oil up your rubber bands. So I'm just doing a crisscross look at the front. Guys, this was so tiring because it's not easy to have your hand like that. I took so many breaks. I took so many breaks, guys. As you can see, I'm like, sometimes my head is up, sometimes it's down. So I just gel up the hair, and then I twisted the rubber band about 5 to 7 times because I did not want it to be very tight on my scalp to pull or irritate it. So after I do that, guys, then I'm just going to come back with it completed, and this is how it looks. cutting out the ends of the front row mainly so that it can twist cross with the back row. Guys, again, let me tell you, this is not perfect. Honestly, this is the first time I'm actually rubber banding my hair. This is actually the first time I'm putting elastic bands in my hair for like a really long time. I don't even can remember. I didn't even remember what I was doing. So the crisscross weren't perfect, guys, but it looked really good. So what I'm doing is I'm just bringing the front row to the back, and then I'm adding it into the twist that I am doing. Alright, so there it is. Okay guys, so here is the part where I'm just adding on one string of bead to the end of the hair just to give it a little Afrocentric look. Alright, and here it is. Alright, so I'm just going to bring in the back section, guys. My glass was giving me so much of struggle. I'm so sorry that my glass is looking like that. So what I'm doing is I'm just adding some gel to my hair and I'm brushing it out just to make it be a little more straighter. Just making sure all those knots are out. Alright, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to get my puff. I'm just combing it out, adding some water to revive it back. And then I'm just going to add it to my hair just to give it a bigger puff. I'm just using my bobby pin to hold it down because I do not want to be in the streets and my hair is all shifty or hooking something and gone. That would be such an embarrassment. I would have to definitely laugh at myself for that. Then I'm going to wrap it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have not subscribed to my video, please do subscribe, guys, and put a thumbs up and comment. Mwah.